Let's get right to it. Let's talk about the average real-world job posting for a machine learning engineer. This is around 85% of all jobs. They have these common factors in them. The first and most important skill is SQL and working with data. I've covered this ad nauseum. If you don't understand the importance of SQL and structured data, I promise you're never going to work in most machine learning roles. Heavy SQL skills will always be number one. Next up is Python. You'll need to know Python as a machine learning engineer. It's the gold standard in applied machine learning. Now, this is a company without a mature machine learning or AI department. How can you tell? Check out the requirements section. Notice they list PyTorch and neural networks as required. We can tell from their SQL requirements that most of the models are going to be built using structured data, and they believe the best model for that are neural networks. This is a clear indication the company doesn't have anyone on staff that really understands machine learning. You and I know the top model for structured data problems are gradient boosters, yet this post doesn't have any of them or focus on traditional modeling at all. Now, this isn't abnormal. Most companies know very little about applied machine learning, and that's why the failure rate is 96% for real-world model implementation. As always, the most important takeaway for this role and most other data roles is the importance being placed on data. Yeah, I know I've said this a few times, but most of you still don't get it. Machine learning is not about modeling, it's about data. And until you understand that, you'll be an outsider in this industry. I created LogicBot for two reasons. One, to help people transition to a machine learning engineering role that are already in a data role, and in a data role I mean heavy SQL. Number two, train those who aren't in an entry-level role as a data analyst. The data analyst is the only entry-level data role I know of. Companies are looking for skills. You either have them or you don't. You either understand what certifications are and their importance, or you don't. The truth is, you don't have that many options. Companies are looking for very specific skill sets, and without them, you're not going to be working in any data role. There is a recipe, and you must follow it if you want to work in any real-world data role. Then move to data engineering or machine learning engineering later on. LogicBot has that recipe. You need to follow it and learn the skills and gain the certs necessary. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a great day. We'll see you soon.